yellow truck, bet they both gon' clear the scene. Watch me do 100 miles per hour when the light turn green. You know you can't ride with us if you can't show the bubble beat. Once you hit a revving on the engine, you know what that means. Red car, yellow truck, bet they both gon' clear the scene. Watch me do 100 miles per hour when the light turn green. You know you can't ride with us if you can't show the bubble beat. Once you hit a revving on the engine, you know what that means.
What up, Mopar fam? Or just fam in general? As you see, just got my package in today. So let's see how they come. I'm gonna open it up with you guys. I literally just signed for it. Didn't take long to get here. It's pretty quick. They say 4 to 6 weeks on the wait time. This one, I don't know, I might have to say maybe it took 3.5. Maybe this was the 4th week. But it never got to the point where I started questioning. Like, man, where's my dick at? And I said, diff, where's my converter? I'm gonna figure out how to open this thing up in a minute. Oh, I do gotta cut the bottom. Alright, I'm sure. Yep, stick with the staples. I'm an idiot. Perfect. Alright. Now, I got y'all pretty good. We can see together. If I do it this way, that'll help you guys. Alright. So, I got the, I ordered the extra shirt. There's your bolts, the washers, or spacers, whatever you want to call it. The little koozie, it's cool. The pin, a couple stickers. See here. Installation tips. That's cool. It's here. It's my invoice. And here's what we came to see. Yeah. Separating converter. Good God. Good God. I don't want to turn it up because if it's got a bunch of fluid in it, I don't want to, but it's the billet. There you go. Nice. I'm satisfied with everything. Good Lord, the way it's, I mean, this thing's packaged so secure. Alright, next to be maybe the installation, or I don't know. I might do the installation. If it don't take us too long to do it, I'll record it for sure. And maybe I'll chop it up. I don't know. We'll figure it all out. But I might do a chopped up version of the installation. But yeah, next up will just be some before and afters. I'll show times. I know I'm bad at showing, you know, my track times and stuff like that. So I'll show times of before. And then once we put the converter on. You know what I mean, folks? Alright, catch me on the next one. Until then, peace.
Red car, yellow truck, bet they both gon' clear the